much. Finishing time. Check 1.
Check 2.
That's a check. Checking 3.
Check.
And a checking 4.
Check.
That's checking 5.
Check.
Okay, you're fully connected. 100% set. So you turn around to your left. Let's go stand toes over the edge.
We will not be able to walk, huh? Just walk down, that's all.
Just keep shuffling.
Yeah.
Shuffle for a little bit more. A little bit more.
Toes over the edge.
Toes over the edge. A little bit more. More.
More forward.
Good.
Good.
Arms out.
1 minute, huh?
Stand straight. Don't lean backward. Stand straight. We'll hold you. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bungee.
Oh my god. Wow. Wow. No? Okay. No? No? Hold the rope. Relax. Okay.
You are safe.
No problem.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Okay, look up here. Hold this one now. Exactly.
Okay. So now we are together.
Now we are together.
It was amazing.
Well done. Your name?
Manoj.
Manoj. From which country?
India.
Was it so scary?
No. It's scary only when you stand there.
Oh.
Once you are down, you don't know anything. So there is no point in getting scary.
There is no turning back.
No turning back. Only thing, this rope rubbed me here.
Oh.
Yeah. So just need to do.
Say something to this GoPro.
It was fabulous, amazing.